When it comes to knives, sometimes the real debate isn't about which one is better, but about which one actually fits your life. And today's face-off is a perfect example. In the heavyweight corner, we've got the Shark Outdoor fixed blade knife. Forged from D2 steel, this thing was built for the wild. With its gray titanium finish, it's not just strong, it looks the part too. The moment you hold it, you can feel the heft, the thickness, the confidence that comes with carrying a tool designed to handle anything from chopping wood to cleaning game. And with a Kydex sheath, it stays securely by your side, ready for action at a moment's notice. In the USA, campers call it a tank for your backpack. And in the UK, where survival enthusiasts are on the rise, it's quickly becoming a favorite for those weekends off-grid, when you need a blade you can truly trust. But then, on the opposite end of the spectrum, sits the Gerber EAB Lite pocket razor knife. At first glance, it doesn't scream survival. It's small, it's compact, and it folds neatly into your pocket. But don't underestimate it. This knife hides a razor-sharp, replaceable blade that slices through boxes, rope, plastic, and packaging with ease. And here's the clever twist. It doubles as a money clip. So instead of juggling your wallet, box cutter, and pocket knife, you've got one sleek little tool that does it all. In the USA, tradesmen swear by it as the everyday workhorse. In the UK, it's loved by commuters and urban EDC fans who need practicality without the bulk. Now here's where the contrast gets interesting. The Shark Outdoor is like bringing a battle axe to the woods. Bold, overbuilt, and ready for whatever chaos nature throws at you. The Gerber EAB Lite is like carrying a scalpel in your pocket. Light, precise, and always useful when the small tasks sneak up on you. One is survival, the other is everyday convenience. So the real question is this: are you the type who needs a survival blade that could probably cut through the apocalypse? Or the type who just wants a reliable, smart tool that never leaves your pocket? Both knives shine in their own lanes. The Shark Outdoor fixed blade is for the weekend warrior or the American camper heading into the Rockies, and for the UK adventurer hitting the Lake District. The Gerber EAB Lite is for the guy breaking down Amazon boxes in his New York apartment, or the commuter in London who wants something useful without raising eyebrows. Different knives, different lifestyles, both essential in their own ways. So, are you Team Shark, the survival beast, or Team Gerber, the everyday genius? Hit that like button, drop your pick in the comments, and subscribe for more USA and UK gear showdowns that help you find exactly what belongs in your pocket and what belongs in your pack.